Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. This vlog is on Kanha Rain Forest. Yes, this is the beautiful view of Kanha Rain Forest. Yes, the specialty of this forest is it's very much safe and we feel good that walking in this forest, and it's so special because all the trees, plants, life forms here, everything is filled with the divine energy of Master. So it makes us feel special. With our sensitivity we could feel it, and so I'm trying to show a part of it and a general view. I thought anyway I'm walking, let me capture the sight and its beauty. This is how it looks like, and when we walk in this forest we feel that yes, nature is so special and we can learn many life lessons from nature, and happy to walk here and experience the specialty of this, a special environment here at Kanha Rain Forest. Thank you for watching.